Tonight at 10, Metro Council members call for a mask mandate in Davidson County, but that relies on a decision from the Metro Public Health Department.
Yelling, shouting, jeers as Rutherford County schools, they debate whether to make masks mandatory in schools. Some parents made sure their opinions were heard.
Just come home, you know, and he didn't come home.
That's when she knew something was terribly wrong. Tonight, a friend of Michael Boyd shares his story as police search for his killer.
A cold front's on the way, and this will bring a chance of rain tomorrow. We'll talk more in just a few minutes.
Now, News 2 at 10.
Well, a major push for a mask mandate here in Davidson County reaches the Metro Council tonight. Welcome to News 2 at 10. I'm Bob Mueller.
And I'm Haley Wilgus. Some council members are calling on the health department to once again require masks in indoor public spaces.
News 2's Chelsea Bindford joins us live from that meeting. And Chelsea, this could be a long process before we get a decision.
Yeah, Bob, a long process in more than one way. The city council meeting still going on in these doors just behind us. It started about 3 hours ago, but just in the last few minutes, they passed a resolution urging the health department to require masks in all indoor places in Davidson County. Now, Councilwoman Joy Stiles drafted the resolution, citing the number of growing COVID-19 and Delta variant cases across Metro Nashville in the last few weeks. She also notes that the CDC is recommending both vaccinated and non-vaccinated people wear masks in areas of high transmission. And we know there have been crowded hospitals and huge surges in pediatric COVID cases since the beginning of the school year.
All of us as council members have been inundated with emails asking for mask mandates. I think it's clear we've had 2 doctors at the last council meeting come and beg for us to put an indoor mask mandate in, speaking specifically to working their shifts at the hospital and seeing how COVID is decimating, particularly Delta variant, is decimating our communities.
Now, if the health department does not adopt an indoor mask mandate after hearing the resolution, Stiles says council can legally institute a mask mandate for the city by themselves by passing an ordinance. Tonight, it's up for its first reading.
People are playing politics, including the Department of Health. They're worried about state preemption. That is more important to them than people living. They're worried, well, what happens? The state might come in and they might preempt us. What I think is important is that we take a stand. As a body, we have the ability to do that.
Now, in order for that ordinance to pass, it would require 2 more public readings. The next one would be in October, and Stiles says that is too long for more COVID cases to spread. Reporting live in downtown Nashville, Chelsea Bindford, News 2.
Thank you, Chelsea. Today, some stunning new numbers reported by the Tennessee Department of Health. More than 13,500 new cases reported in the state today. More than 4,300 of those cases are children and young adults up to the age of 20. There were also 24 new deaths, and the positivity rate remains above 22%. News 2 wants to know, do you believe Nashville should reinstate a mask mandate? You can vote yes or no on our website at WKRN.com.